In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove part of a video in CapCut quickly and cleanly so you can cut out mistakes, extra pauses, unwanted scenes, or anything else you do not want in your final edit. This is one of the most useful basic editing skills in CapCut, and once you learn it, you can clean up your videos much faster and make your content look a lot more professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. From there, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing project if you already have a video started. If you are beginning from scratch, just tap the new project option and move on to the next step. Now, import the video you want to edit. Once your clip is added, drag it down onto the timeline so you can start making edits. The timeline is where all of your cutting and trimming happens, so this is the area you will work in throughout the process. Next, look for the part of the video you want to remove. Use the playhead, which is the vertical line that shows your current position in the video, and move it to the exact start of the section you want gone. When you find the beginning point, click Split. This creates a cut at that exact spot. After that, move the playhead to the end of the section you want to remove. Again, make sure it is positioned as accurately as possible because this helps you remove only the part you want without affecting the rest of the video. Once you are at the ending point, click Split again. Now you have separated that section from the rest of the clip. At this point, the part you want to remove should be isolated between two cuts. Tap or click on the split section you want deleted so it becomes selected. You will know it is selected when it is highlighted or outlined in the timeline. Now press delete on your keyboard, or if you are using the on-screen tools, click the delete icon. CapCut will remove that entire section from the timeline instantly, leaving the clips on either side connected with the unwanted part taken out, and that is all there is to it. You now know how to remove part of a video in CapCut using the split and delete method. This is perfect for cutting out awkward pauses, bad takes, filler words, or any section that does not belong in your final video. If you want more simple CapCut tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you do not miss the next one. And if this video helped you out, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.